Example 4 of section 8.2, we're going to talk about the segment addition postulate. Look at the top of the page here. It says the segment addition postulate says if B is between A and C, so you look over at the line here, B is definitely between A and C, then AB plus BC will equal AC. So this distance from A to B plus the distance from B to C will equal the distance all the way from A to C. Okay. The converse of this is true, by the way, saying if we know that AB plus BC is AC, then B must be between those 2 points. So let's kind of put this into action real quick here, and we're going to find DF. Well, we can see that DE is 23, while EF is 35. Well, from the segment addition postulate, we know that since E is between D and F, we know DE plus EF should be equal to DF. So in this case, DE is 23 plus EF, which is 35, which would make DF 58. So we know that DF is 58 in this case. Example B here of the example, find GH. Well, now G is between F and H, so we know FG plus GH should add together to give us FH. But this time they give me different information. They give me FG is 21. They don't tell me what GH is. I have to find it. So in algebra, when we don't know something, a lot of times we'll call it X. Let's do that. And then FH all the way from F to H is 36. So to solve this, I would have to subtract 21 from both sides. And subtracting 21 from each side, I find out that X must be 15. So this missing side, GH, has to be 15 units long. And that is the segment addition postulate.